Grilling season is here. It's on, and it would be a crime to celebrate without a burger. A juicy, flame-kissed patty, blanketed in melty cheese and piled high with all the right toppings. The perfect burger, though, takes practice and a few chef's secrets. So we are filing this one in our Chef's Kiss series, where we'll tell you how to elevate it like a pro so you can grill up a chef-approved burger at home. Chef Todd Leonard has 4 founding principles to build a better burger. Listen, we've all made a burger, and it's probably been good. You're gonna help us make it great.
That's right.
Great.
You're gonna give it a kiss.
In fact, you call this, there's a name, this is like Chef Todd's burger.
This is the Chef Todd's burger, and it's really the Bar Dub burger because we take it from our cattle brand Bar W.
Oh, wow.
So, speaking about beef.
Yes.
And that's what we do is beef,
yes.
Okay? Beef is the most important thing. So we're gonna talk about a couple things about beef. What the fat ratio is, what the most important fat ratio is.
Okay.
The fat ratio really should be, in my opinion, the perfect burger ratio is 80-20.
80-20.
But in the grocery stores, you're gonna see a lot of 83s or 85-15s.
Yeah, we got different options.
So this is from Macy's.
Uh-huh.
I just bought the different options. So this one right here is lean, 93.7. So that's 93% beef to 7% fat.
Okay.
This one's 85-15, and that one's 80-20.
We want...
I like the 80-20 because fat is good in this situation. So imagine going to the grill. This is the most dry cooking environment possible. So the fat helps in this dry cooking environment. So you want to be able to add that fat so that it makes it really, really delicious.
Size of the burger? Size
of the burger matters. This is a 1/4 pounder. That's a 1/4 pounder. So that ball right there, pack it out. There's your 1/4 pounder.
That feels good to me.
Yeah. Yeah, 4-to-1. And most, my wife's the same.
Okay.
She loves the 1/4 pounder. This one's my burger. This one's a 3-to-1, which is a 1/3 a pound.
1/3 pound.
The difference is 4 ounces to 5.3 ounces.
Okay.
And that's the 1 ounce difference, 1.33.
Okay.
So if you want to leave your tasty meatball out of your burger, go ahead. That's fine. That's your choice, right? But honestly, this 1/3 pound is the best. So I packed out 1/3 pounds here. These are the 1/3 pound burgers.
Now, how thin? Because that's the thing with the more meat ratio is you have to. I get nervous about the cooking, the drying.
That's why a half pound burger to me is too much.
Too much.
But a 1/3 pound is right between, like, a 1/4 pound's a little thin, and where's the beef?
Okay.
And a 1/3 pound's like, okay,
I got it.
I got my extra ounce.
Party's here, meatball in my mouth. Okay.
So now we go to the grill and cook our burgers. This burger just got thrown on. I use, of course, Chef Todd's pit seasoning.
I do too.
That's the bomb. So you're gonna want to season both sides, and then you flip that guy over, okay? And so that's an 80-20 burger. That flame is coming from that wonderful fat.
Now you say always char your patty.
That's a great question. So the difference between a lot of restaurants too are doing their burgers on flat griddles.
Yeah.
So they're searing on iron, which is tasty. But on a burger, there's nothing better than the char, the smoke, the flavor. So when you shut that lid, you're trapping that smoke in.
I feel like he's having a romantic moment.
Oh, baby, right yeah. I'm in love with this thing. This is awesome.
What did you put on there?
So that, my friends, is a grilled poblano chili. So fresh out of the garden, summer vegetable. Yeah. Nice poblano. We've peeled them, and now you're ready to just put that on your burger.
Just a thin little layer.
I put that green chili on there for flavor.
Okay, I would pass and we'd still be friends.
Perfect.
Okay.
We can still be friends.
All right, cheese goes on
then
next?
Cheese, of course. You wouldn't pass on cheese.
Never.
Never.
No.
I like pepper jack because it has more flavor. It's a little spicier. It's really, really delicious.
Okay.
Okay. And then last but certainly not least, it's about your buns and toppings.
You gotta butter the bun.
You gotta butter the bun.
Yeah.
Okay, so when you go to the
my husband makes
grill,
fun of me for this step, but I don't ever miss it.
You literally, I like to do it in a pan, and a lot of your grills at home have these awesome little side stoves. Yeah. But you want to butter that bun. You want to get it in the grease. Okay. You can also toast it right on the grill. Either way to do it.
And I sometimes broil in the oven too.
Yeah, you can broil them in the oven. But that's the cool part about that is you can just change things up and it's fine.
You got a sauce for us?
Yep, we got a sauce. That's important. We take our burger right off the grill.
Look at that.
We're gonna mix our sauce really fast. Who doesn't like a burger sauce, a fry sauce?
Is this fry sauce?
This is fry sauce. Everybody knows.
Oh,
this is my version of fry sauce.
Okay.
I like barbecue sauce, sweet baby. Right?
I do too. I'm feeling so proud right now.
Barbecue sauce goes in there. Pickle juice.
No.
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
Oh.
Yes.
Are we sure?
Why? Because these aren't just any pickles.
Okay.
When it comes to toppings, this is what makes it.
He's selling me.
Onions and pickles are the best. These are famous Dave's pickles.
All right.
Sweet and spicy.
Okay.
And they're so delicious.
Okay.
Of course, your traditional toppings of lettuce, onions, tomatoes.
Finish the sauce for us. Ketchup.
Boom. And then last but not least, ketchup.
Now, you told my producer you have a list of this is like secret menu, Daredevil toppings, and you say any good burger, if you want to elevate it, is going to have a little something extra in the form of a Daredevil topping. What's a Daredevil topping?
Daredevil topping, we could put a fried egg on top, grilled pineapple, some nice cooked, slow roasted beets.
Okay.
Like an Aussie burger.
Yeah.
I love jalapenos. I love bacon.
Bacon's
There's
good.
so many wonderful toppings you can add to them. So when you're outside barbecuing, grilling this year, elevate your burger.
Yeah.
Turn it up.
Yeah.
Make it special.
Yeah.
So we today put the green chili on, but elevate it with your lettuce, put your tomato, and I know these are classics. Don't go away from the classics.
But just have
with that green chili,
Yeah.
change your pickles up. Try tragedy.
Party's happening.
Try the famous Dave's pickles, and boom, you got it. And of course,
what's that?
That little sauce we just made.
Go.
Here's the finished product.
There you go.
You got to put that sauce all over that so it's drippy right all over everything.
Now that we're all properly starving.
There
it goes.
Delicious.
Yep.
Now we can show the camera that burger.
Stop it. Look
That's
at that.
the barbed up burger,
We'll
Chef
give
Todd
it a
right there.
Chef's kiss.
Voila.
On Studio 5. Thank you so much, sir.
You're welcome.
Well done. No, I'd save it. I'd save it just so you can appreciate it during the commercial break. Tell us more about the classes you teach. People can learn from you. They can learn how to do this.
Yep, from burgers to filet mignon to lobster to killing our own meat, butchering,
do it all.
processing, we do it all. But UVU.edu_culinary. Go sign up. If you've wanted to have a dream of culinary, great. Come down, we'll let you really capture your dream.
Do you even see people's second chapter of life, not just young students, but people coming and saying, I've always wanted to do this and I'm going to try this?
Yeah, all the time.
Yeah, that's cool.
From old to young.
That's cool. And is there a semester start?
Yeah, we start in fall, the third week, so you would want to register and get all aligned for your classes. You're going to get a knife kit. You're going to get a full uniform. It's like Christmas. It's beautiful.
You're professional. All right, we'll link you over to the website if you want to look into that for the coming fall chapter. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Burgers the Todd way. We love it.